Right, back we go. It is Sunday, February 21st. Checking out some stocks again. Some different stocks this week. Let's look at a BPTH. Everyone knows this stock who trades. BPTH. The big runner, 4.5 million float on Finviz, 53 million market cap. I did an offering the 18th, 13 million because of the big run up. It's important to get cash when these stocks run up if they're smart. Operates a clinical and preclinical stage oncology focused on RNAi nanoparticle drug development company, United States. So, looking back, this has made big runs before. It had a split in 18, another split in 19. This thing dropped. March, this thing shot up like a rocket. Look at this. This one is high as 73.52 from $2. Incredible. Then we go down, faded again, all the way to 3. Bounced up to 6. Came back, tried to hit the 6 again, but it didn't work. Then we went to 4, and then it's got up hard last week on 95 million volume. This was a really good move up to 24.34. I think where did this start at? Was it 10 or 11? I don't have the pre-market. What was the low on this here? 11.29. But it was a really good long. It wasn't that long of a trade because it came back. Then it became a short. Now let's just fade it. Fade all the way back to the 7 level. We're sort of going back and forth, these little spinning tops. Very low volume. Look at this compared. It's like hanging in the woods now. Oversold 1703 stochastics. Is this going to drift to the 13 EMA 7, the 20 EMA at 638 and 6? Could be a good buy because look at that 6 line. It's great support now. This comes here, you might get it bounce, and then I'm not sure if it goes up that high, but you could get back up maybe to 10 on like a shorter trade. Not one big candle, but I like the way this is setting up. Low float on BPTH. CLPS, 4.88 million float. Insiders own 69%, 149 million market cap. This was another big mover. CLPS Incorporation signs vendor agreement with a well-known U.S. digital payment platform. Ramps up global expansion strategy. Provide technology consulting solution services to institutions operating banking, insurance, financial sectors, Republic of China. IT consulting. So from this IPO to remember the chart came about 2018. This has made big moves up and down. Look at us here. Back up. Another move and formed a descending triangle here. And then it found this like move in January, then April. It's sort of sideways. Bounced up to near 6. And look at the low. All these like little wicks. See these bounces. And then we got to 450-ish. And this thing took off. Look at this. Explodes up. Went as high as 1978. Crazy move. But look at the volume the other days. Look at this. This doesn't do any volume. Look at all the little white bars. That means they're higher. This is 34,000. This bar is 16 million. So this is definitely a pumper stock. You don't see really consistent buying. The days that are up are totally pumped. So this computer froze in my back. Yes, I am. So when this goes up, comes back hard, very low volume. Drifting now, there's a gap. Has the 8 line here bounced off of. I'm not sure what this is going to do. I don't have faith in this. As a decent runner, this puts in no volume. This is more of a spiker stock. Monday it could spike again back up. I have no idea. Like no one knows about this stock. It's proven it can do wild stuff. So this could come all the way back to 6, 550, maybe this level, this 450 level. We could do that and then bounce. Or it could bounce Monday. We'll see here. But this is more of a trade. I would look for, if news comes out on this, low float, this could fly. So just look for that on this stock. BQ, 7 million float, 585 million market cap. Limited operates a pet-focused platform, People's Republic of China. Offers food, street, shampoos, cages, toys, apparel. So in this stock, looks like a recent IPO. I see a line like right here. So you can see this right here. Well, this is out of place, but this came back from the IPO. It dropped all the way down pretty hard to 4. Then it started to bounce. See this back and forth, the lows to high. Really put in a nice move to 1250. You have a line right here too. These lines all pretty much connect. See this here? This is a big broadening wedge. This is what it's called. Broadening wedge is, or looks like, what's it called? Xylophone or something like that, where people talk out of the big bullhorns. So you're getting low to a big wide move at top and bottom. See the bounces back and forth. Then it goes all the way up and we bounce down. Oversold now, 1382. I like this long. If this is new support right here, which could be this 850 held, look where you're at here. So every time it bounced, and we could get a good bounce. This could bounce up to, maybe 1250 again. It's possible. And we'll see on this one, though. So if this doesn't hold up, this keeps going back line to line. It could come back to this 7 line. There's a lot of support. So we'll see on that one, BQ. GNCA, 48 million float, 174 million market cap. Institutions own 56%. Let's see here. Biopharma discovers, develops novel cancer immunotherapies. So draw a line with this one. So this had the big move, wherever this was, going back to 2018. You see the big gap here. But this had a reverse split. So the high was getting lower in this. You can see here the low was holding at this 2 level. And then, March, this thing really dove down. This was as low in this wick, 110. And then we came up, we bounced 175 all the way up to 575. It was a really strong run. This puts in big bounces. A lot of these small caps, they'll make runs, from low to high, high to low. Found this 2 line that we kept coming up. Look at this back and forth, nice little hammer candle. And yeah, look at this stochastics. This thing's all wobbly. Look at this back and forth. Very crazy move, but it's grinding up. Look at this grind. This keeps going now. Oh, even though these bad red candles. If we can break 4 here, maybe we can keep going and test this 550. We'll see. Now your low in this is each stop here. See this each like quarter? Because you have your 1320 EMA. If this doesn't hold, just get on each quarter. That's all you do in that on GNCA. So it's grinding up. We'll see what happens. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Game of Trade. Smash the like button. Leave comments. Stock any information on the stocks. Instagram Mike Frank 98. TikTok Mike Frank II. Twitter Mike J Trades. All right, that's it for this video. Peace.